As requested, here is a quick guide to loading your focal camera. You need a camera, one roll of film, but you also need an empty spool of film. You can get these at photo stores that still develop film, or maybe at your local darkroom club, photo club. Once you have one, it's not an issue anymore because you can just get your empty spool back from your previous film and keep swapping them around. The first thing you need to do is make sure that the tab of the film advance is straight, otherwise you don't have enough room to actually put the empty spool in. You take out the back plate and you can put the empty spool at an angle, keeping in mind the slot here. Can I show it as well? Like this. And then it's in. The film itself has a long leader, which has no film but just backing paper. The start of this backing paper is what you will, this bit here, is what you will insert in the slot of the empty spool. You have to kind of hold things together while loading. You can also keep it out for now, it's fine. Keeping a bit of pressure on here. There we go. You have to make sure that the film itself is between these upper and lower tabs that stick out. Otherwise it will bunch up. You can tighten it a little bit. Now it's nice and tight. We put the back on again. Keep in mind there is a flat bit here and a higher bit here. The higher bit has to be on the side of the empty spool to keep it tight. We hold it together with elastic bands, or right now I'm using hair bands. They're a little bit tighter. Now you can open the right window in the back. You have to make sure once you put in the window that it's really well sealed. You might think it can cause light leaks, and it can actually. But generally the backing paper of the film itself is good enough to stop any leaks from happening. And now we advance until we see the number 1 appear in here. On some brands of films this can be a very, very non-distinctive number 1, like a small dash and no more, one line. On others they have a circle around it. You have to pay close attention, and sometimes you might have the feeling that, hey, it's never gonna appear, but eventually you'll notice. Let's see. You can see something happening in there. Some dots. There are some arrows, if you can see. This all depends per film. And there is our number 1. The nice thing of medium format film is that it has the numbers on the film itself. So the middle line has numbers, the top line and the bottom line, depending on which format you are using. So the middle line is always 6x6. Meaning that if you see the number 2 in here after you take a picture, it will be well spaced for the next frame. And that is all. Now you can use your camera.